This is not teaching thing.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. How are you? I'll be okay. Yeah. You know what? What do you want to tell me? Yeah? Yes. I pray for you. You will succeed in Jesus' name.